Welcome back to another deep dive into the rapidly evolving world of blockchain, where innovation meets practicality. Today's discussion revolves around a cutting-edge development within the internet-computer ecosystem, one that could redefine how we perceive and interact with real-world assets in a digital framework. We're diving into the concept of real-world asset tokenization, the Origin Protocol, and how the Internet Computer Protocol, ICP, is laying the groundwork for a new decentralized asset certification system. This isn't just about NFTs or crypto hype. This is about tangible transformation, bringing assets like luxury items, artwork, and property into a blockchain-powered digital realm. So let's unpack how ICP is leading this charge and why the Origin Protocol is becoming a cornerstone of this initiative. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult a professional before making any investment decisions. To understand the full picture, we need to start at the heart of this transformation. Origin, an innovative protocol designed to integrate real-world assets directly onto the blockchain. Unlike traditional NFTs that emerged during the 2021 crypto boom, Origin's mission is more substantial. It aims to create a verified, trustless framework that links physical items with unchangeable digital certificates. So what is Origin in essence? It's a protocol designed to bridge the gap between real-world value and digital proof. Through its trustless, decentralized infrastructure, Origin allows the certification of physical items like precious metals, luxury goods, fine art, and even intellectual property, bringing them into a digital ecosystem with cryptographic accuracy and immutable ownership records. The process is structured around a three-step methodology. 1. Submission of asset details. Users provide metadata and documents validating the asset. 2. Digital certificate generation. A tamper-proof digital identity is minted and anchored on-chain. 3. Verification and use. Assets become cryptographically verifiable, ready for use in DeFi, marketplaces, or private transactions. This is not merely a concept. This is a working system, fully integrated into the Internet Computer blockchain. What sets the Internet Computer apart is its unique DAO infrastructure, known as the Service Nervous System, SNS. Within this framework, communities are empowered to control digital services without centralized leadership. Essentially, it replaces traditional governance structures, like boards or executives, with decentralized consensus. This level of democratic operation is built into the core of the Internet Computer's design. Unlike Ethereum or Avalanche DAOs, which often lack transparent mechanisms, ICP's implementation ensures every governance proposal, upgrade, or code change is visible and verifiable. This offers unmatched clarity and accountability, which are essential in an ecosystem that's supporting real-world asset ownership. The SNS DAO model reimagines how Internet services should operate in Web 3. While Web 1 allowed users to consume information and Web 2 gave them a platform to contribute, Web 3, especially through ICP, grants actual ownership. Whether it's a social media platform, game, or metaverse project, users now have a direct say in governance, voting through governance tokens tied to these decentralized services. Origin is one of the standout projects under this ecosystem. Its mission is to become the universal certification standard for all things valuable. Backed by the Origin Foundation, it operates as a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, ensuring neutrality and transparency. Its decentralized design isn't just for show. It's a requirement to meet industry-level standards of authentication. Using advanced biometrics and immutable blockchain records, Origin transforms every certified item into a secure digital certificate. This isn't just about luxury goods, though it covers that too. It's about ensuring traceability, proof of ownership, and authenticity for anything that holds value. The Origin token, OGY, plays a vital role in this ecosystem. As a deflationary utility token, it's used to mint these certificates and serves as a fuel for transaction verification. However, it's worth noting that not everyone supports the idea of each DAO or service launching their own token. While Origin seems to prioritize technology over tokenomics, the broader question remains: how sustainable is a model where hundreds of DAOs mint individual coins? Could it dilute the value of the primary ICP token? The debate continues, especially as projects like Caffeine AI enter the picture. But for now, Origin appears focused on utility, not hype. Origin has rolled out new NFT standards, ICRC7 and ICRC37. This is a significant upgrade that introduces a more functional, interoperable, and secure way to manage NFTs on ICP. Let's break this down. The core NFT canister offers full ICRC 737 compliance, supports rich transaction histories, and integrates seamlessly with prior standards. A dedicated storage canister ensures assets are delivered quickly, stay persistent across upgrades, and remain secure. Comprehensive testing and documentation provide developers with all tools necessary to deploy their own NFT-based projects. In short, Origin's NFT standard doesn't just improve user experience, it sets a benchmark for secure and flexible NFT development. And it's not just theory. Origin acquired ClaimLink, a decentralized tokenization platform. This acquisition strengthens its position as a leader in the RWA tokenization space. With ClaimLink's tech under its wing, Origin accelerates its mission of certifying real-world value. Currently, there are nearly 40 DAOs operating on the Internet computer. These DAOs have facilitated over 15,000 proposals, raised more than 11 million ICP coins, and brought over 30,000 participants into the governance ecosystem. Let's look at a few. OpenChat DAO raised 1 million ICP in 6 hours. Estate DAO is experimenting with real estate tokenization, allowing users to buy shares in vacation rentals. Sonic DAO, Gold DAO, and others are building decentralized services across different sectors. But such initiatives raise valid concerns. In the case of Estate DAO, for example, questions arise about operational control. If many small investors hold fractional NFTs in a rental property, who manages it? Who handles customer service or maintenance? And what happens if there's a dispute? The DAO model, while powerful, doesn't always account for operational complexity. That's why transparency becomes critical, something ICP does remarkably well. Every smart contract, every canister, every memory cycle is trackable through the ICP dashboard. The Internet computer offers unparalleled transparency. You can actually track each DAO's progress through the ICP dashboard, viewing smart contracts, canister memory usage, daily cycles, and more. It's not just about what teams say, they must show what they're building. Looking at Origin's proposal history, we can see how frequently governance proposals are submitted, what they're requesting, and why. For instance, some proposals ensure regular rewards distributions to maintain incentive structures for developers and stakeholders. It may sound bureaucratic, but it ensures DAO health and long-term commitment. And this model is catching on. Even traditional finance is starting to adopt blockchain tokenization. Robinhood's decision to tokenize private company shares using blockchain-like architecture is one of many examples pointing to the mainstream future of tokenized assets. Tokenization isn't just a buzzword anymore, it's the core of digital transformation. From art galleries issuing certificates for high-value pieces to institutional investors exploring secure blockchain-based ownership models, the world is moving toward on-chain asset management. NFTs aren't about pixelated apes anymore. They're evolving into the infrastructure of verified ownership. And Origin is positioning itself as the go-to provider of that infrastructure, especially within ICP's scalable, secure ecosystem. The shift from NFTs to digital certificates powered by real cryptographic standards, complete with transaction histories, is not only smart, it's necessary. We're already seeing global momentum toward real-world asset tokenization, and protocols like Origin are becoming critical pillars in this next evolution. To wrap up, the Internet computer isn't just a blockchain, it's becoming a full-fledged decentralized Internet. Origin's work on real-world asset certification is just one example of how practical, valuable, and scalable this ecosystem can be. Through ICRC standards, DAO governance, and real transparency, ICP is setting the stage for a tokenized future that goes far beyond collectibles. So if you're tracking developments in blockchain, Origin, and the Internet computer ecosystem deserve your attention. With its commitment to decentralization, security, and transparency, this isn't just a Web3 experiment. It's a blueprint for a new kind of Internet. So, what do you think about ICP's current position? Are you bullish on its growth in AI and DeFi? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found value in this deep dive, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more breakdowns like this. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay cautious, and I'll catch you in the next one.